you guys, but I have chills tonight. I've been waiting for this moment for a long, long time, as has the WWE Universe. Finally, things are gonna get settled.
My goosebumps have goosebumps, and if yours don't, you better check your pulse.
Starting off with
making his way to the ring, accompanied by
not about showing off anymore for Dolph Ziggler, because he believes he's accomplished everything he needs to in WWE, and he's right.
Dolph Ziggler made it his personal mission to eliminate the complacency that plagues the WWE locker room.
Month after month, the preaching is the same. Dolph Ziggler truly believes no one can hang on his level.
It's time for our first match of the night, guys, and it looks like we have quite the contest coming up.
And good luck to those who have to follow this one. You're going to need it.
Steel in the sky, crane on the rise, Ronny Diamond, funk in his eyes, concrete jungle, sweat and grime. He lifts the load, he owns the time.
This should be an incredible matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite to be number one.
Here we go, fellas. I've been looking forward to this one for quite some time.
Wicked clothesline. Took him out at the knee.
Some might remember seeing him as a caddy or a cheerleader. But once Dolph Ziggler debuted on Raw in 2008, the Showoff's been stealing the show and winning WWE gold.
Boom, right in the button.
Oh, what a chop block.
Ziggler was also an amateur wrestling star at Kent State University, and in WWE, Dolph's held the World Heavyweight Championship, Intercontinental title, and U.S. Championship. The man is also a former Mr. Money in the Bank.
The self-proclaimed Showoff is one of the WWE's most beloved and thrilling superstars. But Ziggler doesn't just leave his opponents in stitches. Dolph also travels the United States as a stand-up comic. See what I did there?
Going for broke. 6. Guys, I can't help but be reminded.
There it is. That is a game changer. Wow, the crowd's on the edge of their seats.
Did you hear that thud? God.
8. 9. You gotta believe this one's over.
Dolph Ziggler is being outworked here tonight. Where do you think he should go from here? I'm not sure how much more he has to give.
Dangerous spot for him to be in.
He's got to figure out a way to get back in it, guys.
Vicious strike. Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
Wow, I thought he was a goner. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ouch.
Look at that.
Ziggler with the famouser.
Is it enough to end this match?
He goes for the cover. He's a long way from a 3 count, I can tell you that.
It could take more than that.
He's calling for it. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Oh, and he reverses it.
Slam!
Uh-oh, he's in trouble here. Big move coming.
Wait for it.
What a driver.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Just a step quicker, it looks like.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh no, we've got a problem here, guys.
No kidding. Who knows what'll happen next?
Looking a little out of it, up on that turnbuckle.
Oh, this could very well be the beginning of the end.
Superplex!
He wants it one more time.
Not the fall that hurts, it's the sudden stop at the end.
This one's over, guys.
He's got the shoulders down.
Yes! Unreal performance.
And here's another glance at these superstars in action.
These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well. These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well.
Here is your winner, the Alabama Slammer, Ronny Diamond.
Kicking off the night with an impressive victory.
Yeah, the performance put forth in that match tells me we're looking at somebody who will someday, very soon, be competing in the main event.
What a way to kick off tonight. Don't go anywhere, folks. We're just getting started.